Get ready for your healing. Get ready for your deliverance. Get ready for your breakthrough. The Howard Gospel Choir of Howard University is coming to a city near you on their annual spring break tour. The Restoration Experience begins Friday, March 13th and runs through Sunday, March 22nd, 2009, with stops in Philadelphia, New York, Grand Rapids, and Chicago. For more information on tour dates and locations, visit us at myspace.com/Howard Gospel Choir. Call us at 202-758-5193 or email us at howardgospelchoir@gmail.com. Be renewed, be refreshed, be restored.